How to get Grammarly legally premium for free. Now, the only way or the only thing that we will be able to get this Grammarly on Premium or Pro for free is to be one of their affiliates. Meaning, if we will register our maybe any organization or as a student or as a professional, we will actually earn from it. So it's gonna be like 20 cents per invite. So no matter what they do, if they do not register or if they just visit that specific link, you will be able to earn 20 cents if contract partner sales is going to be approved. So all you have to do is just enter and then go to go.grammarly.com/partner sales. And then once you're here, all you have to do is fill out these necessary fields right here, like the company name, your first name, last name, so on and so forth, then your company website. And then once you are approved, that's the time that you can go ahead and invite any individuals who is actually wanting to use Grammarly. So if they just click that link, your invite link, you'll be able to earn 20 cents per invite. And well, in that case, if you accumulate like maybe around $12, this is actually the pricing for their plans and subscriptions. This is for the premium or for pro. It's going to be 12 US dollars per month billed annually. Now, they also have a certain feature which is going to be free, but the difference between these two is actually pro or premium has like 400 plus features that you will be getting out of your 12 US dollars monthly. And then for free, you will only like get maybe around write without mistakes, or see your writing tone, or generate text with 100 AI prompts. And then the other way that you can do is if you are currently one of the members from any affiliates or organizations, you can actually ask them to borrow an account with Grammarly Premium. Well, in that case, you will be able to access all of those features that you have specifically for Grammarly Pro or Premium. And that's the only way that you can have it for free if you just uh, register or sign in as their contract partner sales or one of their affiliates. And that way you can accumulate this specific amount so you can purchase a subscription and get that pro or premium. So that's the only way that you can get legally Grammarly Premium.